This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. If you are looking for a move-in ready and solar-equipped pool home in a gated neighborhood minutes to Lake Nona, this is it. Owners have installed solar panels which equate to extremely low electric bills averaging around $70 per month. From the minute you pull up to this home you will notice the attention to details on the landscaping with concrete edging, brick pavers that have been cleaned/sealed, and the exterior and interior have been recently painted. You have a true formal foyer entry, a three-way split bedroom layout, and a wonderful open concept living space. Owners recently upgraded the floors with a neutral porcelain tile throughout the main living areas and wood floors in the bedrooms. The second and third bedrooms are nice sized, and your fourth bedroom has its own private ensuite. Owner's suite is spacious and light with a wonderful ensuite with dual sinks, soaking tub and walk-in shower. Your kitchen has wonderful 42 stacked cabinets with trim, beautiful stone and inlay backsplash, a large island that offers room for barstools, stainless steel appliances, and a closet pantry. Your family room and dining room flow easily and offer great options on living space layout. Triple slider doors open up from the family room to the covered and screened lanai. Brick pavers and a gorgeous pool with water feature, upgraded LED lighting on the screen enclosure, and plenty of room for a barbecue and patio furniture. Separate solar for the pool and home. Backyard is metal fenced and owner has brick pavers around the full exterior of the home for a clean look. Kuna security system will convey. Community offers a pool, park and playground with low HOA. Conveniently located minutes to Lake Nona Medical City, Valencia College, UCF Medical School, the VA Hospital, and Nemours Children's Hospital. With access to the 417 and 528, Orlando International Airport is an easy commute. The Austin Tindall Sports Complex and schools are minutes away. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski at 407-462-7736.